Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest iPhone tips and tricks. Today, we're diving into something super handy. How to change the Do Not Disturb (DND) icon on your iPhone in 2025. With iOS updates making personalization easier than ever, this quick tweak can help you customize your device to match your style and reduce distractions. Whether you're a busy professional or just want a fresh look, let's get started. First things first, make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version, probably iOS 19 or later by 2025, to access all the new features. To begin, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. It's that gray gear icon on your home screen. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Focus. This is where Apple manages all your notification controls, including Do Not Disturb. Now, in the Focus menu, you'll see a list of modes like Do Not Disturb, Personal, Sleep, and any custom ones you've set up. Tap on Do Not Disturb to edit it. Here's the fun part. In 2025, Apple has made icon customization more straightforward. Look for the Customize or Edit button at the top right. Tap that, and you'll see options to change the icon. You might have a selection of pre-made icons or even the ability to upload your own image from your photo library. Select your preferred icon, preview it if available, and hit Save or Done to apply the changes. If you don't see the customization option right away, double-check that your focus mode is set to allow edits. Sometimes, restrictions from your device's settings might block this. Head back to the main settings and ensure focus permissions are enabled. Pro tip: after changing the icon, test it by turning on Do Not Disturb and checking if your notifications behave as expected. This ensures everything's working smoothly. And there you have it. That's how you personalize your DND icon in no time. It's a small change that can make your iPhone feel uniquely yours. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more 2025 tech tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite iPhone hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.